Do you think old people and young people can have common interests?
Yes, despite all of the differences mentioned before, against all the odds, they can share common interests if they make the effort. For example, if they are interested in the same esports games, reading the same books, talking about the same topics, watching the same videos, gardening, fishing, cooking or other hobbies that have no age-related requirement. Nowadays, retired people have plenty of time to do various forms of exercises, making themselves as sound as a bell, which is the same for some health and fitness-oriented youngsters. As a result, they can walk and jog together, sharing life stories with each other. For those intellectual elderly people, they can read the same books, watch the same videos and share their feedback with their sons and daughters, little grandchildren, etc. The young generation can benefit from the rich and valuable life experiences the old generation has endured or enjoyed. On the other hand, the old generation can benefit from the fresh ideas and creativity from the young generation who is willing to explore this wonderful world of ours fearlessly. In addition, they can build their common interests by participating in activities of their community, where quite a few numbers of youngsters are happy to contribute through their energetic passion and where many old people are delighted to contribute through their wisdom. In this case, there is no reason they can't break bread together or can't be as thick as thieves. So, it is very possible for the young and the old to have common interests if they pay attention and make the necessary effort.
Contact Dr. NN in England.